What you got to say?
You suck.
Pussy girl. You guys, I'm going to take my driver's test. But it's in a big ass truck.
Ugly ass face.
So I think I'm gonna fucking fail. Fingers crossed. I hope I pass. I hope I can get my driver's test. Driver's license. That way my mama can't tell me I can't drive far no more. Like, no, you made me get my license. I'm gonna drive far now.
Vaccines.
Shut your ass up, man. That lady keep looking at me. I don't like it. I will update you guys whether I get my license or not. Y'all, so I passed a motherfucking test. I'm so excited. I wanted to cry. We came to McDonald's to get my mama something, and then we're gonna go to Steak and Shake. Here you go.
Hi, Matthew.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers with no cheese? Just mayo and lettuce, please.
So you want 2 hamburgers on the mayo and lettuce?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
Can I get a medium fry?
Sure.
You guys have the large drinks for $1?
Yes.
And can I get a large Coke with extra ice, please? And then a number 6 with the Coke as well, medium size.
You're just so stupid.
Okay.
And that'll be it for me.
Thank you.
Okay, see you at the window.
Cheeseburger with no cheese, really?
No. Girl, I don't know how to order no burgers. I ain't never had a burger in my life.
You're annoying with all that music.
I'm happy I got my license. Like a dynamite. Hey, that sounds like you're loud. It said, wait. Destiny, how do you dance this music? What are you gonna get from the menu?
Single steak burger.
Destiny, what are you getting?
I'm getting
Hot dog or chicken?
this.
Chicken tenders?
Yeah.
Actually, no, I want the original double in cheese.
I'm getting chicken tenders, a hot dog, and a drink. Tell me why we've been here for like 40 minutes and these people just got here and they already have their food and we don't. How? How? Why? Because they're old?
She's gonna try to get the person
That's unfair.
playing with me.
Unfair. I'm fucking starving since like hours ago.
Racism.
No motherfucking tip. Nope. Yo, these beats gave me mad. We're playing Hangman. Look. And she can't get this this artist. This bitch over here telling her, like, shut up. They don't know how to play. They cheating, bro. You guys, if you ever go out with this fucking girl, don't motherfucking play hangman. She know everybody. Like, shut up. Fuck. Knock you out. Y'all, we're gonna stay here and wash dishes because I was gonna pay, but I checked my bank account. That shit said negative $25. Juanita, give me your keys. I don't want you dipping on me, bro. Give me them keys, boy. Today's a good day. I felt like a nice person to bring people to eat. Well, I didn't bring them.
Get another plate.
Juanita drive. But I got my license.
Get her license every other day.
I got my license, so I feel like bringing them to eat, even though I only got like $20 to my name. And then later on, I'm gonna go to a car meet and lose my license. Just kidding. I'm gonna go to a car meet, have fun. It's Friday. I got my license. I got my license. Hope nobody saw that. Y'all, I got my license. I'm so excited. Y'all gonna hear that throughout this whole video because I'm excited. I was too excited that I took these people out to eat and I wasted my money, my last bit of money that I had. Y'all, let's see if she run me over. Does she not fucking see me? Look, it's getting closer. Oh! Hey, you hit! Hey, you hit me! I got it on camera. You hit me.
You can sue her for money.
I can sue you because I got you on camera. You guys, we came to Macy's because I could have sworn on the newspaper it said everything was 50% off. 50% off. They said the whole store was 50% off, and I guess not. I want to go home now that it's not 50% off because I don't care about no 30% off. When it's 50% off, the whole store for real, then I'll come. Other than that, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. Y'all, I don't know if I'm going to go to this car meet or not. Like, I don't know if I'm feeling it. I don't know if I'm not. Maybe. I need to record that.
Karen!
Karen.
Do this again. Do this again.
How do you do this?
Oh, you can do a split. Must be nice. I can't even touch my fucking toes.
That'd be pretty photos, not gonna lie.
y'all really be blessed. Take care. Be safe. Don't do crazy stuff out here. Don't get tickets. Thank you for watching.